Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're removing a grille from a 2023 Nissan Titan. The first part of removing the grille from the Nissan Titan would be to undo these clips. These are Nissan fasteners. Put a screwdriver here and do a quarter turn, and then it pops off. Quarter turn, and it pops off. Quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn, and quarter turn. When you remove the top, there's two more fasteners that are on the side. You can pull it and they come out on their own. You can see them here, 1 and 2. So if you look on the bottom, there's these tabs. The way it releases, if you go from underneath it and just push on it up, it'll release the tab and it'll come out. So on this version, they came out fairly easy. On some of the videos on YouTube, I did see that some people had to put a screwdriver in there to release it. Press up on it, and it's going to unclip. Let me get this one on here. And this one is unfastened too. I'm going to put this here so that way we don't scratch up any of the original bumper when we're removing it. Because when you're removing it, see, there's some play in the plastic. And I don't want it to scratch up the original paint. So if you zoom in here, this is a perfect example of the clip that I was talking about. See, with my finger underneath it, press up on it, and then it comes out of that slit. Same thing with this one. And then we can work our way towards the middle, unclipping all of them. So that's 1, 2, 3. 3 are done on this side. There's one right here. So now that all the clips are unclipped, this is how you remove the grille from a 2023 Nissan Titan. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.